We're beginning Unit 3, and this is HomeLink 3.1, Measurements at Home. This says, help your child find labels, pictures, and descriptions that contain measurements. If possible, collect them in an envelope or folder so that your child can bring them to school tomorrow, along with this HomeLink. Please return this HomeLink to school tomorrow. So this should come back with you. So number 1 says, find items with measurements on them. Look at boxes and cans. List the items and their measurements. So you don't have to bring the items to school, but you want to list what the item was. So maybe it was a milk carton, or a box of cereal, or could be really anything in your house or where you are that has measurements on them. Could be a newspaper. And then you write what the measurement is. In this case, the milk carton had quarts on it. Maybe it's a jug of juice, and maybe you see ounces on it, or maybe you see liters on it. That's what you want to write right here, and how many of them. So a jug of juice, 64 ounces, something like that. Then for part 2, you want to find pictures and ads that show measurements. Look in newspapers, magazines, or catalogs. And this is for the kids. Ask an adult if you can cut out some examples and bring them to school. If you don't have any examples at your house, I am sending a newspaper home with the kids today, so they can look in there for examples. And that's fine too. Just please keep the material appropriate for school. So it could be, you know, a car ad, a food ad, electronics, hardware store, supermarket, department store, anything that just kids will see in their everyday lives. And then practice. Write these problems on the back of the page. Write a number model for your ballpark estimate. Use any method you wish to solve each problem. Show all your work. Now this is only just 2 problems. I'd really like the kids to come up with at least 6 problems. 3 addition and 3 subtraction. Because this is something that they really need a lot of extra practice with. So, if you could do that and return it to school by tomorrow, November 4th, that would be great. And please contact me if there are any questions. Thank you. Okay, so